Hey Thinksters, what's up? It's Chris, founder of Thinkster.com, and in today's video I'm going to share something really exciting. So I have developed a prompt that is like never seen. It's a completely new prompt. I'm sure, I will guarantee you have never seen it. Maybe you will watch this video later and people will have already figured it out. But this is like completely new at the point. At this point in time. So what is the prompt? So the prompt is, the idea is to create a mastermind group with ChatGPT. So imagine you could have a daily chat about your personal dreams, goals and problems with your heroes such as Elon Musk, Bill Gates and Jesus Christ. So how would your life change? How would your life change if you could actually have a chat with your idols? Like Elon Musk, Jesus Christ, Bill Gates, whatever, Mahatma Gandhi, so like whatever you want, right? Whoever you want. So are you ready to disrupt your whole life? So let's go. What is a mastermind group? First of all, a mastermind group is a small supportive network of like-minded individuals who come together to help each other achieve their goals. They share like some knowledge and hold each other accountable, provide diverse perspectives, offer inspiration and motivation, and create opportunities for networking and collaboration. So having a mastermind group is like having your own personal board of advisors, which can actually help you reach your goals faster and with like more support than if you would go alone. But often joining a mastermind group, it can be a game changer for your own life, but it's very difficult to do it because oftentimes you don't have access to great people, right? It could help you and could support you in your mission. So you would be, in many cases, you would be alone with your mastermind group and you won't have access to the great people. But now you can have, with ChatGPT, you can have access to the best people in the world, right? So I have developed a mastermind prompt, and I will give a link in the description below. I have shared this prompt first time with my Thinkster community of email subscribers. We learn coding and we learn new technologies, so check out link in the description below. You can join us. It's a free email academy with 150,000 coders, and we learn together, and I share these things first with my email subscribers and with my premium members. So check out the link in the description below, and let's dive right into the prompt. So this is the prompt. You can just copy paste the prompt and like put it into the ChatGPT chat field, and then you can have your own persons, right? So I put 6 people in my mastermind group: Jesus Christ, Napoleon Hill, Elon Musk, Mahatma Gandhi, and Bill Gates. You copy and paste the prompt, and then ChatGPT will start writing, right? So for example, it will write in the perspective of those people in your mastermind group. For example, here, Jesus Christ, and you could put any person, and actually I have written the prompt in a way so that it automatically inserts an icon that fits to the person you put into your mastermind group. The person should be a well-known person so that there's enough data for ChatGPT to actually figure out the style of the person, right? The personality of the person. So for example, Jesus Christ writes, "Hello, I'm glad to be a part of this mastermind group. My goal is always to help people find happiness and peace in their lives, and I'm here to do just that. Let's work together to help you achieve your goals and find fulfillment." I also have like Napoleon Hill, Elon Musk. Elon Musk writes, "Hey there, I'm thrilled to be a part of this mastermind group as a visionary entrepreneur. My focus is on helping people achieve their dreams and push the boundaries of what's possible." So you see, it's really in the spirit of Elon Musk. I also have like Mahatma Gandhi, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, some random persons here. You can put your own person in, right? The persons you admire. Okay, so let's start. So actually you can use this group every day. So every day you copy this prompt into ChatGPT and start chatting with your mastermind group to reach your goals. So Thinkster is all about like creating your own business, coding business online. So your goal may be, so for example, to create a business. I want to create a freelancing business, say, earning 6 figures. So it could be like $10,000 per month. And yeah, you can just put it there and wait, and let's see what the mastermind group tells you to do. So now Napoleon Hill says, "Creating a successful business starts with having a definite purpose and a clear plan for achieving it." It's like already a great tip, right? So let's work on defining your target audience, the services you will offer, and your pricing strategy. So Napoleon Hill has a great suggestions here. You can already dive into those suggestions if you want. Elon Musk says, okay, this gives you some business tips. So all of them will give you some perspectives, right? And now I wait for it to finish quickly. So for example, I like what Mahatma Gandhi and Jesus always have to say. They always give you some perspective. Like for example, in this case, it's essential to stay true to your values and maintain integrity in your business. This actually are great business tips as well, right? Because if you maintain integrity in your business, people will trust you more and you will make more money, definitely. Jesus Christ says, okay, stay focused on your purpose. Okay, so let's maybe start with say Napoleon Hill. Can you suggest a definite purpose that I can read every day to create a burning desire, which is the first step towards my business success? Something like this, right? So you can dive into anything. Now you have addressed Napoleon Hill in your mastermind group. Napoleon Hill gives you like a suggestion what could be a definite purpose, and this you can put on your wall, for example, read it every day. And just doing this, right, could already be a very productive day. If you like chain those type of days one after the other, so you can actually create momentum and a compounding machine in your business, right? Because every day you will actually create a stronger and stronger business, right? So this actually is the great definite purpose. It's already a great statement you could use when creating your own business. So for example, I'm creating a highly successful and profitable freelancing business that generates 6 figures or more annually. I'm offering valuable services that solve my clients' problems, and I'm constantly improving my skills to better serve my clients. I'm building a reputation for excellence and developing a loyal client base. I'm committed to my success and take consistent action to achieve my goals. I'm grateful for the opportunities that come my way, and I'm using my success to make positive impact on the world. Right, it's a great mission statement. You could read it twice a day to actually create this burning desire and very clarity of mind, clarity and focus that you need to create a thriving business. So if you have created a thriving business already, you know that focus is everything in business. Okay, so this could already be a great takeaway, right? But let's dive deeply. Okay, so I need a profile description for Upwork. My strengths are Python, but I'm not a master, for example. I could write something like this, right? And I love communicating in written form, say you are an introvert in written form, but not in chat, and not in, say, live chats. Something like this. I mean, you can write anything about anything you want, and now they will help you actually craft an effective Upwork profile. So for example, here Elon Musk proposed experienced Python developer with a passion for solving complex problems and creating efficient, reliable code. While I'm not a master, I'm constantly learning and improving my skills to stay at the forefront of the industry. I have a strong track record and so on, and so on. I excel in communication in written form and will ensure that you are always kept up to date, and so on. Yeah, so now you make progress. So you see what happens here. You use your mastermind group to make progress towards your goals, and you push forward in becoming towards your goal of creating 6 figures. So imagine you do this every single day. Imagine you do this every single day and you create this mastermind group. You can definitely check out the article and also get the prompt you can use for copy and pasting, and definitely join the Thinkster email academy. I will have a link in the description below. I will teach you like all the coding skills necessary to create actually success in your own life. So imagine you do this every day. Your skills will definitely explode. You will become a master in your endeavor. You will be motivated. You will be excited because you always have like some perspective from other people. Jesus, can you rewrite the Upwork profile to make it more purpose driven? Something like this you can do, right? And so you can do anything to actually help you push your business forward, or push you forward towards your goal, right? I mean, this is definitely, it's such a great and powerful tool for your success as a ambitious person, ambitious coder. And I think this prompt, it's like a completely new prompt. It's so I have not seen this anywhere else on the web. So nobody has ever created such a way, so such a creative use of ChatGPT to actually create a mastermind group that is on your side that you can chat on a daily basis. So now you can see like Jesus' profile description. It's great. It's value oriented. You can it's about impact and everything. And I think it would be like already a great great thing to do. And it is like, this is you, right? Because you have developed this together with the people in your mastermind group. It's like you told them what to do. You actually asked Jesus to write the profile description, and not Elon Musk, and not another like person, not Mother Teresa, right? It was you that actually initiated this thing, and now you can rewrite it, take it as a first draft, and now you already have the profile description, right? And you can, like, this way you can work on your success and create a thriving coding business online. So I think it's a great tool. So if you like it, then yeah, give me a like. And also, I mean, probably you are already a member in the Thinkster community. Otherwise, check it out. We have lots and lots of great content like this, and novel ideas. And also check out the Thinkster Academy. So the Thinkster Academy, academy.thinkster.com, has lots and lots of courses that you could check out, and where you can actually also get a certificate for completion. So for example, how to integrate ChatGPT to build a movie recommendation Python app in 2023. And you can use Streamlit and blockchain development, Golang. We have many different courses. Chainlink, you see, like, we have blockchain courses, like all the exponential technologies we have courses on, many of them anyway. And yeah, check it out. Check out the academy. Check out our free email academy. This one is a paid course. It's only for premium Thinkster premium members. And yeah, great to have you on board, and see you soon. Bye.